Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to associate administrative or student support outcomes with the assessment plan or report. Let's get started. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic or fiscal year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. Now, click the drop-down menu right beside the All Assessment by Program heading. Then, select the option by Administrative Unit. Once redirected to the All Assessment by Administrative Units page, click the administrative unit's name to which you want to link the outcome for the plan or report. For this example, we will use the Office of Institutional Effectiveness Unit. Once redirected to the Administrative Unit Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Unit Review lane. Then, choose the Unit-Assessment Plan lane if you want to link the outcome to the plan. Or choose the Unit-Assessment Report lane if you want to link the outcome to the report. Once the response window pane appears, click the Edit orange button. From the text editor, click the cog wheel icon to show advanced options. Then, click the Insert Evidence link. Within the Insert Evidence window pane, click the Outcomes link. Then, click the Add Outcome blue button. Once the Associated Outcomes dialog box appears, select the Admin or Student Support Outcomes option from the first drop-down menu. Then, from the Planning Year drop-down menu, select the correct year based on the plan or report you're working on. For this example, we are selecting 2024-2025. Next, search for your name in the Assessment Coordinator drop-down menu. The list is sorted alphabetically by surname. If you're managing multiple units, select the relevant unit in the Program drop-down menu. Now, from the Select Outcomes field, you should see the list of active outcomes for the selected unit. Select the outcome or outcomes that should be associated with your plan or report. For this example, we are selecting A01. Don't forget to click Save. In the Insert Evidence window pane, you should see the outcome or outcomes you selected. They will be attached to the planning or reporting process narrative as part of the assessment plan or report submission. Finally, click Save again. And there you have it. You just associated an outcome with your assessment plan or report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about outcomes assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!